Coming up to El Pueblo, La Cocina del Pueblo. Oh, it's Tacos Tuesday today, babe. Tacos Tuesday. El Pueblo, La Cocina del Pueblo, here in Wasco.
I'll be right out to truck. Okay.
All right, everybody, we're back with the tacos from, what's it called? La Cocina del Pueblo here in Wasco. It comes with the asada, it comes with the cilantro, cebolla, and then they put red salsa on there and some rábanos. I feel like everybody has those, and some lemon wedges. All right, here's my one bite review. Down the hatch. These are better. There's something about the tortilla. Man, the tortilla is crunchy. It's like a white, yellowish tortilla. It's good. This beats Peraza's. La Cocina del Pueblo, I'm going to give you 2 thumbs up on your tacos de asada. Give them 2 thumbs up, buddy. Just one? You haven't tried it yet. All right, for me, I'm giving them 2 thumbs up. All right, thanks for watching.
I get it 3 thumbs up.
3 of them. All right. Can't forget my Jarritos. Mandarin. Wash the tacos down with.